Doing for the video?
I am acid washing the boat using the West Marine Instant Hull Cleaner, and it is working very, very well. You put it on, and then just about a minute later.
So you got some yellow here, right?
Yep.
And then this has been.
That's working right now.
That's working. Okay.
And then you can see on the bottom where the water line is, where it's been cleaned and where it hasn't.
Yeah, here and here. And how's it doing on these so far?
It's okay. It's okay. I think those are just too far gone.
Okay. Yeah, you really can see the
That
yellowing.
was my test patch right there.
Yeah, look at, wow. Hull clean, not hull cleaned. Wow, looks good. And down here, we are Gflexing our dinghy. So that should be good. And then here's the SD50 that's coming out. So if anybody's looking for an SD50 sail drive, it's for sale. And I am waiting for the 610. It's a little tacky this morning. It's a lot harder now. I think overnight it got a little cool. But it's getting harder now. So I think these are going to be okay. Just a little tiny bit tacky, but we'll see next. We'll come down next week and we'll sand them. Now here are the escape hatches recalls. So they're on. Eventually we're going to do the whole thing, but they did a nice job with some, looks like some adhesive back there. And then he said, the yard manager said that they've been seeing a lot of these come back with galvanic corrosion between the screws. So they're now inserting these separators on there. So that's good. We are moving along, and here's what it looks like clean on this side. Looks pretty good. And then we've got, not as bad, but we do have some separation happening with the rub rail. So I think these rub rails have got to come off and be repaired. On the other side, it's really bad. So let's walk over there. I'll shoot a little video what that looks like. So this is what the hull looks like not cleaned. And here's our loose window. So up there it's starting to come apart. But look at this. Look at that. The screws are just pulled out of there. So the two big projects here are the rub rails and this window. So yeah, that's where we're at today.